Damn these Mercedes or Chrysler Crossfire vehicles. So, as you can see, I'm having difficulty turning the key to turn the vehicle on. I don't want to turn it so hard as to break the key. So I'll show you what to do if you're in a pickle. Please mention in the comments what vehicle model you have that has problems when turning the key to the on position. And I'll put it in the description below as to help others out. Here's how I get the steering wheel to unlock and the key to turn. So, just kind of wiggle the steering a little bit. And eventually, you can get it. See? There we go. Locked. Try that again now. One hand goes on the wheel, and while jiggling it, gently turn the key. Never turn the key hard. And then you'll get the key to turn smoothly, and of course, the vehicle on. Be patient when doing this, but ultimately, I have always gotten the steering wheel to unlock and the car to turn over. I do this all the time, and it's getting ridiculous. Now, I'll tell you how to permanently fix this, as what I just did is a temporary solution. In fact, this should have been a recall a long time ago, but good old Chrysler and Mercedes got away from owning up to their known problems like the auto business tends to keep doing and turn a blind eye while sticking it to their consumers. Anyway, these vehicles are plagued with the sticky key problems, as it's been famously called. Now, I've tried graphite powder first. Some may use a spray of sorts, which I don't like, but the key turning mechanism, the tumbler, is really not the root of the problem. Adding some lubrication may help for a short amount of time. However, the true problem really lies inside, and specifically is the steering lock assembly, which is bad. So pretty much, once you have difficulty turning the key and lubricating doesn't help, then you're going to have to repair the key lock assembly, and you should do so as soon as you can. But great news, do not waste over $500 or any money buying a new key assembly or changing your keys. You can repair this yourself with minimal tools for the most part, and you don't even need to remove the key tumbler. I'll put all tools and supplies in the description below for easy reference, and a few detailed videos on how to remove and install the key assembly, which you can also check out in the description below. Hopefully me showing you how to unlock the steering wheel helps, especially if you're in a tough situation or lubricating with a small squirt of graphite powder. Again, if this has helped a bit, please tap that like button and subscribe to see more cool videos, and mention in the comments if you wound up just lubricating or eventually replacing the key assembly. Myself and other viewers would like to know. Thanks for watching.